We've made it to the end of the semester, so what better way to celebrate than with candy? Today we will look at a phylogenetic tree classifying circular candies, specifically M&Ms and Skittles. Here is our phylogenetic tree. Before diving in, let's define some of the words and terms that we will be using today. Hydrogenesis is changes within a single lineage, and this is what allows for gradual evolution without speciation to occur. Hydrogenesis is when one lineage splits into two, meaning that speciation has occurred and two OTUs have evolved from a common ancestor. OTUs are operational taxonomic units, and in our scenario today, there will be the different types of M&Ms and Skittles. A rooted tree is a phylogenetic tree where all OTUs share a common ancestor with a known distance between them. The internal nodes are branches where clades split off, with OTUs breaking off. The most recent common ancestor is the most recent individual of which specific OTUs are descended from. Finally, the outgroup is an OTU that diverged earlier than all others with a common ancestor that is used in comparison. Our tree is rooted as all the circular candies originated from a single ancestor is marked by the arrows. If we had the actual DNA, the distances between the OTUs would be known. Our outgroup is the Skittles, who just diverged from the common ancestor first, and the outgroup is used as the comparison tool once again with regard to the rest of the tree to determine the order of origination of the species. I've gone ahead and circled where the internal nodes are, and these represent where the most common recent ancestor for each clade is located, and where cladogenesis has occurred for forming these new branches as OTUs do diverge. Now we can finally take a look at the phylogenetic tree itself and determine the divergence events. The first divergence event split the non-chocolate circular candy Skittles from our chocolate-based circular candies M&Ms. The next divergence event split the M&Ms by base flavor, regular versus special, and original M&Ms and mini M&Ms are both the same flavor and taste the same, but they are just different sizes, and thus their most common recent ancestor evolved into regular flavored M&Ms, and they are closely related. The next node splits the specialty flavored M&Ms into a special chocolate flavored and special nut flavored. The special chocolate flavored clade consists of dark chocolate M&Ms, white chocolate M&Ms, and fudge brownie M&Ms, with the most recent common ancestor being special chocolate flavored M&Ms. Dark chocolate and white chocolate M&Ms are more closely related and share a more recent common ancestor. Now taking a look at the nut-flavored clade, we have peanut M&Ms, peanut butter M&Ms, and almond M&Ms. And the most common recent ancestor between these three OTUs developed this nut flavor. We then have another divergence event, which did split the nut flavors into almonds versus peanuts, and this indicates that peanut M&Ms and peanut butter M&Ms are more closely related to each other as they both evolved from a peanut-based common ancestor. And these two types of M&Ms are most closely related out of all the OTUs as indicated by the shorter lines, as the shorter the line, the more recent a divergence is, and the longer lines correspond to earlier divergence. And here are our resources used. I hope everyone understands phylogenetic trees a bit better, and go treat yourself to finishing genetics with some M&Ms and Skittles.